Turn off the TV. Very good.
Turn off the washing machine.
Turn off the washing machine. Yeah.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light. Good.
Turn on system.
And inside.
Inside.
I am inside my house.
I'm inside the house. Yeah.
I'm inside the car.
The toilet is inside the bathroom.
Yeah. What about what's inside of the cupboards in the kitchen? You could say inside the drawer. Or plates.
Knife.
Or a knife. Yeah. Okay. What about outside?
I am outside with my friends.
I'm outside. Okay. I'm going outside.
Many trees outside the house.
There are many trees outside. What about down?
I go down to the washing machine.
Go down the stairs to the washing machine. Mm-hmm. Okay, near. How do we use near? Something that's close.
To I think near the TV.
Very good job, Tanya. Yes. So, Tanya is sitting near the TV. Okay. In front of.
I look in front of the window.
In front of the chair is the table. Yeah. What about across? We did across. Can you think of it again? One more word for how we would use it?
The kitchen is across.
You
Living
go
room is across.
across
Kitchen.
You go across the hallway? Yeah, good job. Okay.
Well, let's review what the teacher said and add a little bit more to it. When we talk about prepositional phrases, remember, a phrase is a group of words that belongs together. It doesn't have a subject, doesn't have a verb, and it begins with a preposition. So, as we look at the house there, the picture of the house that she had can tell us many prepositional phrases. We can say things like in the closet, under the bed, on the table, in the bedroom, between the TV and the lamp, that's where one chair was, beneath the table, across the floor, beside the chair, or in the kitchen. These are all prepositional phrases that come out of looking at the house diagram that she gives us. And so we use these prepositional phrases to tell us where something is or where something is happening. And so if I'm telling you where something is, that can be a way of describing that object. Let's imagine that I have two chairs. One chair is in the kitchen. The other chair is in the living room. You come into my house and I say, sit in the chair, please. And you want to know which chair. There are two chairs. And so if I tell you, please sit in the chair in the kitchen, that phrase, in the kitchen, tells you which chair. It describes the chair. So when it does that, it's acting like an adjective. That's an adjectival phrase. But if I were to tell you something about a dog, for example, let's say I saw a dog running. I could say, I saw a dog running across the street. Across the street is a prepositional phrase that tells you where the movement was taking place, where the dog was running. And so if I tell you I saw a dog running across the street, that's not very unusual. But if I tell you I saw a dog running through the house is another prepositional phrase. It tells you where something was happening. And if I see a dog running across the street, that doesn't bother me. But if I see a dog running through the house, I probably don't like that. That's not very good. And so that phrase, across the street or through the house, that tells you where the action is happening. And the kinds of words that describe where an action is happening are adverbs. So in that case, the prepositional phrase acts like an adverb. It's describing an action. So a prepositional phrase can act like an adjective. It can describe a noun, an object. The chair in the kitchen. Or it can describe an action. The dog ran through the house. So we need to understand that the same prepositional phrase can do two different things. And so this helps us to understand. Let's join the class now as they begin to work a bit more with these prepositional phrases.
We're going to do a little worksheet now. On the worksheet, you have different things that are in the house, different nouns of things that are in the house. Like you have laundry. Where do you do laundry? Like on here, we call it the laundry room, or in the basement. Shower. Where's the shower? In the bathroom, right. What about knives? Where do you find knives? In the kitchen. Here they have a cat on here.
Cat?
Yeah. What would that be? In the washing machine? I hope not. Cat. Sometimes you find a cat sitting on the couch or on the chair. That might be
on the bed.
Yeah, or on the bed.
In the shower.
What about, where will you find tools?
Noodles.
Tools. Like a hammer or a screwdriver or a saw. You might find it in the basement or in a garage. In the kitchen.
Chicken.
What about toys? Where would you find toys usually?
In the bedroom.
In your bedroom. Yeah. What about the TV? Where would you find a TV?
In the living room.
In the living room. What about a sink? Where would you find a sink?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Or in the bathroom?
Or in the bathroom, yeah. What about a refrigerator?
In the kitchen.
You wouldn't find a refrigerator in your bedroom?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Okay, so you're going to match. You're going to draw a line from the word to where you would find it. Okay, so laundry would be with a washer. Okay, shower, where would you find a shower? In the bathroom. Okay, so let's pass these out.
We're going to do a worksheet activity now with the class. If you have this worksheet that came on the disc with the video, you can do that now. If not, follow along with us on the video. I'm going to ask you to get small pieces of paper ready. You're going to need a lot of pieces of paper. You will need 24 small pieces of paper like this. So if you need to take a moment and pause the video now, you can get those ready. What I will do then, I will show you a list of different places in the house. Sometimes the location is a room, or sometimes it's another kind of place in the house. Write one of those locations on each piece of paper. So I will show you the list, pause the list, and write the different locations on a piece of paper. Then I will show you different objects in the house, different things in the house, like a bed or your laundry, and you can show each one on another piece of paper. So pause the video and write one object on each piece of paper. So you will have 12 pieces of paper with an object on it, 12 pieces of paper with a location on it. And then in just a moment I will tell you what to do. So let's watch those two lists now, and remember to pause the video at the right time and write down your things on pieces of paper. Are you ready? Let's begin. Things in the house. Write one word on each piece of paper. Laundry. Shower. Knives. Cat. Coat. Teddy bear. Refrigerator. Shoes. Sink. Tools. Toys. Television. Pause the video and write one word on each piece of paper. Places in the house. Write each word on a separate piece of paper. Bathroom. Bedroom. Closet. Bed. Couch or sofa. Drawer. Garage. Hanger. Kitchen. Living room. Oven. Washer. Pause the video and write each word on a separate piece of paper. Are you ready now? Did you write down all those things on the pieces of paper? Well, good. Let's begin. What I'm going to ask you to do is to put the location and the object pieces together. Find the correct location to go with that object and put them together. For example, if I'm saying, where is the laundry? Laundry is your clothes that need to be washed. You could say the laundry is in the washer. So laundry and washer would go together. And do that until you have finished all the pieces of paper and put things together in the correct location. All right? Are you ready? Let's begin. Please stop the video and do the activity. Okay, have you finished making all your pairs? Now let's join the class and we will listen to the children as they told us how they put them together. See if you got the answers as well as the children did.
So where matches laundry on the worksheet we just completed?
Washer.
Washer, right. What about shower? Bathroom. What about knives? Where do we find knives?
Kitchen.
Kitchen or in a drawer? What about the cat? Not the washing machine.
Sofa.
Washing machine.
On the sofa.
On the sofa? Yeah, very good. What about shoes?
Shoes is clothes.
Clothes.
Closet? Coats?
So do it that.
Where?
What about our coats?
Coats in a hanger.
On a hanger?
Yeah.
Okay. What about tools? Where do you find tools?
In the grass.
Garage? Yeah. Teddy bear?
Bed.
The bed.
In the bedroom or on your bed?
Yeah.
Lena, where would you find toys? In the living room, yeah. You
Or you can say the bedroom.
Or in the bedroom. We might have them in a few places. Toys. Okay. What about television?
In the living room.
What about refrigerator?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. And sink. Where would you find it? Yeah, where else would we find a sink? Would we find a sink any other places in the house besides the kitchen?
No.
How about the bedroom, the bathroom?
In bed.
In the bathroom, you wash your hands.
The sink, shower.
Yeah, sink and shower. Okay, now what we're going to do, okay, just leave your papers down. We're going to use the words we just did. On here, we're going to put them in a sentence using a prepositional phrase. Okay, and I'm going to write them on the board. So, for example, my bed is in the bedroom. Okay?
The bed in the bedroom.
The bed is in the bedroom. Okay, what about, okay, let's try this one, chair.
In the living room.
The chair is in the living room.
Shower.
It's in the living room. Okay. What about, where's the washing machine?
And the kitchen. And the washing kitchen.
The washing machine is downstairs in the basement. Or you could say the washing machine is below the, what's this room?
Your living room.
Right. What about the sink? Where's the sink?
In the kitchen.
It's, yes, and it's on the counter. The sink is in the kitchen, on the counter. What about the computer? Where's the computer?
In the office.
In the office? What else can we say about the computer?
On the table.
It's on the desk. Yes.
On
What
the
about,
table.
what is above the living room? Above.
The bedroom.
So how can we say that in a sentence? The bedroom
The bedroom
is above
about the
living room. Very good.
All right, now let's do the second part of that worksheet. This is where you are writing sentences. You're going to write some sentences that describe where things are in the house. Remember, you had a piece of paper with an object and a piece of paper with a location. I'd like you to put these together and write a complete sentence about it. For example, if I'm using the pieces that I had before, laundry and washer, the sentence that I could write about this is, the laundry is in the washer. The laundry is in the washer. Now that phrase, in the washer, is a prepositional phrase that tells me where the laundry is. So I'd like you to take each one of the pairs that you made and put it into a complete sentence like that. And that way you can use a prepositional phrase to describe where this is. Maybe your sentence would be, the bed is in the bedroom, and then in the bedroom is your prepositional phrase. So write each sentence using a prepositional phrase. Are you ready? Let's begin. Please stop the video and do the activity.
So what were we talking about today?
about close.
What were we? It wasn't chickens, and it wasn't cats in the washing machine. Prepositions, prepositional phrases. So what is a prepositional phrase? So
It's close to behind.
it's used words together that relate to each other. Like underneath the table is a book. Underneath the living room is the washing machine or laundry room. Who can give me an example of a prepositional phrase?
The chair is behind the man.
Very good. How about another one? Any other ideas? The very good. One more. Let's think of one more.
The lesson.
The what?
The lesson.
So where's the TV?
Behind the stairs. And the chair.
Yeah, it's beside the chair,
And the stairs.
and the stairs are in front of the
Chair.
TV. The chair. Yeah. Well, good job, everybody. That's the end of this lesson.
Well, let's wrap up. What did we learn today? Well, we learned about prepositional phrases and that they can do a lot of things. Remember, a phrase is a group of words that belong together.